Hi tech friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 7 best gadgets of 2025 you need to check out. Let's jump right in. The Meta Quest 3S allowing you to blend digital objects into your environment or fully immerse yourself in VR. It offers 2x the graphical processing of its predecessor. Enjoy immersive games, social events and entertainment with friends, multitask effortlessly by browsing, watching content and chatting, all while keeping your room in view. The lightweight design and powerful features make it perfect for gaming, workouts and everyday use. The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer advanced noise cancellation, powered by 2 processors and 8 microphones, providing an immersive and distraction-free listening experience. These over-ear headphones feature hands-free calling with 4 beamforming microphones and cutting-edge audio processing for crystal clear communication, even in noisy environments. With up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, the WH-1000XM5 ensures long-lasting enjoyment, and a quick 3-minute charge provides 3 hours of playback. Their lightweight design and soft leather ear cups deliver optimal comfort, even during long listening sessions. These headphones are perfect for those who want high-quality sound and lasting comfort. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers a premium design and advanced features for both men and women, perfect for everyday wear and fitness tracking. It boasts Bluetooth call functionality, allowing hands-free communication directly from your wrist. The HD AMOLED display provides vibrant visuals for easy viewing in any lighting. Equipped with NFC, it enables seamless payments and quick access to your favorite services. With integrated GPS and various sports modes. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a cutting-edge action camera built for capturing extreme moments in stunning detail. With a 27-megapixel photo resolution and 5.3K 60 video recording, it delivers ultra-crisp images and videos, even in challenging environments. The GP2 processor ensures fast performance and smooth operation, while Hypersmooth 5.0 technology offers unparalleled stabilization for shake-free footage. The camera also supports 2.7K 240 video, allowing you to shoot ultra-slow motion footage with breathtaking clarity. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10 is a premium, ultra-lightweight laptop that combines style, power and durability for professionals and business users. Featuring a 14-inch 2.2K LED backlit display, it delivers crystal-clear visuals, ideal for both work and entertainment. Whether you're handling complex tasks or running multiple applications simultaneously. Pre-installed. With Windows 11 Pro, it offers an intuitive and secure user experience. The Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro Bluetooth offer an exceptional true wireless audio experience. Active noise cancellation provides an optimal listening environment by blocking out external noise, making them perfect for travel or focus. Equipped with 6 microphones, these earbuds offer superior call quality by filtering out background noise for crystal clear conversations. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers a premium design and advanced features for both men and women, perfect for everyday wear and fitness tracking. It boasts Bluetooth call functionality, allowing hands-free communication directly from your wrist. The HD AMOLED display provides vibrant visuals for easy viewing in any lighting. Equipped with NFC, it enables seamless payments and quick access to your favorite services. With integrated GPS and various sports modes.